Just a little quick preview of what I use to help support the bubble nest, just different material types. What I have here is an oversized styrofoam cup. With this, I find that if I flatten it out, it gives a better support for the bubble nest. Right here is just your regular size styrofoam cup. It's nice, but the downfall of that one is that sometimes you can't see the eggs. It can be a pain in the ass, especially when you block up the sides for privacy. Leaf here is in the natural wild. When a leaf falls down on top of a pond, that's where the beta male comes up and blows his bubble nest. I've tried this, but the thing about this that sometimes it floats and it's not straight flat on the surface. It's tilted. But I came across this when my friend sent me some fish, and he used it as isolation, and I was thinking to myself, it's nice, it's thin, it's styrofoam, and best yet, you can see through when the fish makes their bubble nest. Here's just a little quick illustration. I've used it, and it worked out perfectly. I didn't even have to lift the bubble nest up or anything. It's like you can see right through when the fish makes the bubble nest and when there's actually egg. At the same time, it gives a nice secure hiding spot. And I used it over here. 100% success.